Following the launch of S-series top models, Samsung introduced the Galaxy A72 and A52. With a 6.7-inch screen, a huge battery capacity and 4 advanced cameras, the Samsung A72 is definitely something different. At first glance, as with all A-series models, the large screen and larger body profile stand out. At 6.7 inches, the A72 offers a pixel density of 394 ppi and 800 nits of brightness, which does not surprise us because, as we mentioned in our previous reviews, Samsung has obviously set standards for the A-series and the mobile phones in this price range. Also, with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, the A72 is very pleasing to the eye with its smooth transitions. Visibility in direct sunlight, as with its predecessors, is great given its high screen brightness. Like its predecessors, the A72 has USB-C type charger and 3.5mm audio output. Although the case is plastic, the A72 still offers resistance to water and dust. The latest Android 11 comes with Samsung's One UI 3.1 upgrade that runs smoothly, offers a refreshing new look for interfaces and application, and everything is very intuitively arranged. Camera-wise, the A72 offers as many as 4 back and 1 front. With a 64-megapixel main back camera and 3 auxiliary ones, the A72 is great for taking pictures because of its ability to switch between wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, which is especially suitable for portraits, and macro with great color range and sharpness. The front camera, although slightly lower resolution, offers extremely great selfie photography options. What sets the A72 apart from the rest of the A-series is the ability to record both front and rear camera in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, while the rear can even shoot 60 frames per second with 1080p resolution. With rarely seen specification for Samsung's A-series so far, the A72 offers a handful of features and options. In addition to the great screen, exceptional camera quality that has become a major industry standard in mobile phones today, huge battery life, the A72 has definitely set a high bar for its followers.